everyone, here we are, beautiful weather, beautiful spot. We're gonna do an outdoors workout today, biceps, upper back, shoulders, and we're gonna go triceps also. So the full workout for the upper body. Beautiful locations, get the Kinexor out there and enjoy the outdoors. And it's beautiful, it makes you want to work out, it's so motivating and encouraging. All right. We're gonna have the orange disc, and we're gonna use the rubber tube resistance added to the okay, remember how you put it through here, show through the back, run it through, and then split it around, and you're gonna clip it here with the handles, two handles. Right, this is what you need to be doing if you're 40 plus. You need to get out, get vitamin D from the sun, and get endurance and get strength training. That's what you need. You know, as we age, we need to get that growth hormone triggered so we can improve our muscle, build muscle mass, burn fat, get the cardio, get a whole health and fitness benefit out of this. All right, we get going. The setup then with the rubber tube and the long strap, so you hold it on your feet. All right, it's gonna be pulling a lot, so I'm gonna use my sandals, my beach shoes, and put it in the floor. Step on it. Here we go. Make sure it's resting on your toes, so right there. Okay, here we go. You're gonna start slow motion, find the first, engage your core when you're pulling. Find the first stop, holding 5 counts for your isometric. Remember, I'm gonna show you the whole routine, and you're gonna do it all over as many times as needed till you get the muscle burning and the muscle failure. That's when you get the benefit of this workout. Strength training is all about getting that muscle workout to the max. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kick through. Hold it here. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more last. On the return, when you're releasing, you're going to hold halfway out. 10 counts here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release slowly. Do not fully relax the muscle. Keep the muscle engaged and start the next rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way to the top. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. Release slowly. Halfway. Holding 10 counts here. I'm talking a lot. You want to try and breathe all the time through your nose, as much as possible through your nose. That helps to bring up the heart rate. Focus on your form. Keep your core engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4. Okay, so like that you get in the bicep workout. Now I'm going to switch after I do my 10-second hold on the eccentric. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really slow, yes? All right, you're gonna continue again till you burn the muscle. You wanna get that muscle failure, which is when you can't possibly do one more rep. Okay, for the purpose of showing you now, the routine continues with the shoulder pull, upper trap. So turn the ass around. You're gonna be bringing the hands up to your chin. Do the stop. 2, 4, 5. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows up. Find the stop. 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can go as far up as you can. 2, 4, 5. Really slowly. On the eccentric again, we hold it 10 counts. What about the sternum? 10 counts here. 9, 10. Really slowly. Do not relax the muscles. Then you start the next rep. Find the first stop. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbows up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift through. 5. All the way up. Really slowly. Halfway through, you hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really slowly all the way. Okay, again. On this sequence, you continue. You're gonna burn the shoulders, upper traps. It's gonna feel very heavy, very tight on the top. You keep on going. Try and get that muscle failure, which is that one last rep when you burn and you can't possibly do one more rep. Okay, from here, I'm just gonna turn a little bit. Put the handles through your feet, through your legs. Grab it behind. You're going to be pulling away. Bend the elbow a little bit and then we'll push away with the hand. Find the first stop. 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it there. Pull out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And really slowly. It's going to turn it all the way around so you can see better. Away. 2, 3, 4. Stretch your hands out. 1, 2, 4, 5. Slowly. It's a short arch motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Alright? That's the sequence. Alright, so biceps. Doing the 5-second hold. When you release, you do 10-second hold on the eccentric. After that, switch. Elbows pulling up. You get the shoulders, upper back, upper traps the same way. As far as you can go. Push through that burning till you get that muscle failure. And then put it in between your legs and you pull in back, bending the elbows a little bit, and then you pull away. Alright, keep on going, do this sequence over and over. If you like, you can throw in between a bunch of burpees or some other push-ups maybe. Make it a little more intense if you like. All depends what age and fitness level you are, of course, alright? But anyway, the encourage you is to take the Kinexor outdoors and get a good workout, yes?